Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a collab with mom over at Momdas Life Handmade, and for this month every month she does a useful DIY challenge, and for this month it's gonna be cardboard crafts. She also has a co-host every month, and this month it's Jelena over at the BlondieNextDoor. Feel free to check these ladies out. I will have a link with their videos and also the playlist in the description below. Mom, she does sewing, trash to treasures, and DIY videos, and Jelena does DIYs, cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. So let's jump right into this tutorial. I started with a piece of cardboard. I took one of my dinner plates and I just traced a circle. You can make this as large or as small as you like. I then cut the circle out. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges. These projects are super easy. They were Pinterest inspired. That's where I got the idea for these, and they are very easy to do. So once I had the circle all cut out, I took a piece of fabric and I just cut it down to size. You can use whatever pattern to go with your decor. I just absolutely love how this pattern looks, so I decided to use this as part of my decor in my craft space. I trimmed around the piece of fabric, leaving about 1 inch of fabric at the edge. This is a super quick and easy message board. You can make as many or as little as you choose with this particular DIY. I took some hot glue and I'm just pulling tightly onto the fabric, making sure it's smooth to the front, and gluing down those extra pieces. All you need to do is just add some push pins to this and also some twine so that you can hang it on the wall. Once I had it completely all glued down, I just added some twine so that I can hang this piece. And I trimmed the excess off so it wouldn't be as bulky hanging on the wall. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. Also share with your friends and family. It really do helps my channel a lot. I do appreciate the love that I've been receiving lately. So for the next DIY, I took another piece of cardboard and I took one of my soup bowls and I just traced around it and cut that out as well. And as I said before, these were Pinterest inspired. I will have another DIY using cardboard to make some kitchen decor within this week, so stay tuned for that. Once I had everything done, I'm just taking some of my twine and I just cut some pieces, some long pieces off. I cut, I think was 9 pieces, and I took some painter's tape and I taped it onto my desk and braided the twine. Eventually it began to come apart because the painter's tape was not holding down the string, so I used my foot to help me braid this piece. I took an extra piece of twine and I tied to the top of the strings. You can use as much or as little twine to make the braid. You can make it thicker, you can make it thinner, but this size was good enough for me. Once I had it all braided, I trimmed the edges. I actually did 4 braids to complete this DIY. I took that circle cardboard piece that I cut out and I added some hot glue and I began wrapping the braid around the cardboard and I laid it flat while I glued it in place, and I did this for the entire piece. I had extra of the braid at the end, so I just hot glued that onto itself to give this piece a little lip. Once one of the braid were ended, I just butted up another one as close to make this piece seem seamless. Once I had it all glued, I took some of my cotton twine and I just made some small tassels. Once all the tassels was made, I think I did between 16 tassels to 18 tassels. I just turned the piece around and I hot glued them 1 inch apart. Once I had finished gluing all of the tassels on, I flipped it back over to make sure that I like the look of it, and I find it looked a little bit sparse, so I did go back with some yarn. I did use some black and gray yarn and I made some tassels and I placed those in between, rotating gray and the black between each of the cotton twine tassels. I absolutely love how this piece turned out. You can use this as a charger, you can use it as a placemat, you can even use it as wall decor. It has a multi-functional use, and if you want to use these as chargers, you can just make a couple more the same exact way, and these would look so these are such a bohemian look to your tablescape if that's where you're going to be using it. Or you can even make these in different sizes and you can hang them on your wall to give it that faux basket look that's all the rage right now. That would look absolutely stunning, and you can change out the colors and on the twine, on the tassels. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you stay safe, and I would see you in the next one. Bye.